Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Hi, today's topic is IELTS Writing Task 1 Letters of Complaint. Writing. It comes third one out of listening, reading and writing in IELTS and it took 60 minutes and has two tasks, Task 1 and Task 2. In general writing, Task 1 is letter writing. Letters of complaint. It can be another type of letter in IELTS General Writing Task 1. This type of letter is written to complain about a problem which has arisen, for example, rude staff, damaged product, inaccurate information, etc. It should explain the reasons for the complaint and usually includes a demand or request or suggestion concerning what should be done. For example, replacement or refund or compensation, etc. Mild or strong language can be used depending on the writer's feelings and the seriousness of the complaint, but abusive language must never be used. Based on the nature of the complaint, letters of complaint are of two types. They are mild complaint letter and strong complaint letter. First, about mild complaint letter. Here you can use mild language to express your feelings like request or suggestions, etc. For example, I am writing to complain about a factual error in last published journal. I hope that you will give this matter your prompt attention. Here, the nature of the complaint should be clearly stated in the first paragraph. Also, each aspect of the topic should be presented in a separate paragraph containing a clear topic sentence, and each complaint should be supported by clear justification. Next, about structure. As usual, mild complaint letter also has an introduction, body and conclusion. First, introduction. Here, state the reason for writing. Next, body. It should have maximum of 2 paragraphs. In first paragraph, state the complaint with justification. In second paragraph, give request or suggest what should be done. Last, conclusion. Here, conclude the letter by thanking the recipient for their time and consideration and with closing remarks like faithfully, sincerely, etc. followed by your name. To begin mild complaint letter, you can use I am writing to express my disappointment or dissatisfaction with, or I am writing to complain about or draw your attention to the problem of, etc. To end mild complaint letter, you can use I hope or trust this matter will receive your immediate attention, or I hope or trust this matter will not be treated lightly, or I hope or trust this matter will be dealt with or resolved as soon as possible, etc. This is the format of a mild complaint letter. Next, strong complaint letter. Here you can use strong language to express your feelings and demand concerning what should be done, but abuse language must never be used. For example, I am writing to express my strong disapproval concerning the offensive behavior of an employee at your company's RD Junction branch. I demand a full written apology or I will be forced to take legal action. Here also, write the nature of the complaint in the first paragraph, and each point of the topic should be presented in a separate paragraph with clear topic sentence and supported by clear justification. Next, about structure. Strong complaint letter has an introduction, body and conclusion. First, introduction. Here, mention the reason for writing. Next, body. Here write maximum 2 paragraphs. In paragraph 1, state the complaint with justification. In paragraph 2, mention the demand concerning what should be done. Last, conclusion. Conclude the letter by emphasizing the demand and thanking the recipient with closing remarks like faithfully, sincerely, etc., followed by your name. To begin strong complaint letter, you can use I am writing to express my extreme dissatisfaction with or annoyance or anger at or protest about etc. Or I regret to or feel or I must inform you how appalled or shocked I was etc. To end strong complaint letter, you can use I must insist on or insist that or demand or warn you that or unless this matter is resolved or unless satisfactory compensation is offered or I will have no choice but to or I will be forced to take further or legal action etc. This is the format of a strong complaint letter. Next, I am giving some linking words. By using this, you can link complaint and justification. Linking words are but, nevertheless or however, in spite of or despite the fact that, although or even though, etc. For example, I purchased the bag only a week ago, but the zip does not function properly. Or, I purchased the bag a week ago, nevertheless or however, the zip does not function properly. Or, the zip does not function properly in spite of or despite the fact that I purchased the bag only a week ago. Or, although or even though I purchased the bag only a week ago, the zip does not function properly, etc. Here you can see I linked the complaint and justification with different linking words in different way. That's all about letters of complaint. Hope this video helpful and see you soon with next video of letters of apology. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.